All right, so now for the final part of lesson 7, the different types of angles. Okay, so the I can statements are: I can recognize and identify angles such as being acute, right, obtuse, or straight. So basically we're looking into the main types of angles. So right here is a little picture that kind of shows the 4 we're talking about today. We have our acute angle, which is the smallest, our right angle, our obtuse, and our straight. So let's look at the first example. So acute angles are angles that are less than 90 degrees, and they are the smallest type of angle. Here's an example. Doesn't really matter how many degrees that is there, as long as it's less than 90. It's good, technically more than 0, but you're not going to have a 0-degree angle, at least not with this class. Sorry about that, I had a phone call. So an acute angle is one of the smallest ones. So the way that's easy to remember it is an acute angle. Acute angles are cute because they are tiny. So the word cute is inside of acute. So if that helps you to remember it, just remember small things are cute. And so an acute angle is small, so it's cute. Like that. I don't know if that helps or not, but that's one way I've had people remember it in the past. The next angle is probably the most recognizable. These are our right angles. They're exactly 90 degrees. And when we have a picture, it almost always has a right angle symbol right here. It's usually some kind of square. If you see that, this is 90 degrees. Always 90 degrees. So right angles are always easy to recognize just because they have the right angle symbol in there. The next one are our big angles. These are our obtuse angles. These angles are bigger than right angles, so more than 90 degrees, but they're less than 180 degrees, so they're not a straight line. So an obtuse angle is between 90 and 180 degrees. And they'll always look pretty big. So one way that you can try to help remember this is obtuse angles are big and obese. And not big, because apparently I felt the need to type the words big twice, so we can ignore that one. Anyways, so obtuse kind of almost sounds like obese. I know that's not, I guess, the most sensitive word in the world, but I'm a chunky boy myself, so I can get away with saying it. Obese is big, obtuse is big. If you can connect those two words, I'm going to help you remember that they're the big ones, between 90 and 180. Then you have the last example, which are our straight angles. They are exactly 180 degrees. And what that means is that they form a straight line. So even if they're turned diagonal, or they're upside down, or they're horizontal, so up and down, every one of these is a straight angle. They're flat. Straight angles look like lines because, technically speaking, they are lines. So if you have an angle that's just a straight line, it's always a straight angle. Lines are straight, straight angles are straight. Well, if you have any questions, just let me know, and have a good one.